All right. It's day 2 for the devlog for GMC Jam. So yeah, I am pretty what's the word? I feel great because I did a lot of good progress, and even though I had to tackle a few issues we get from yesterday, but it actually got to the point where I feel like I'm confident I'll be able to actually finish this on time. So last thing that left off was finishing up the AI systems. I was gonna make 3 AIs, but now I'm gonna start just put it down to 2 only because last night like I was just polishing up the last AI I was creating, and then I actually was gonna start like think about what I'm gonna do for the third one because I had no idea what the third one is gonna be like what kind of what makes it so special or what he can do. Like no, I really don't know. It's like I was completely blank on that, and that's when I realized like I think it's pointless just add a third one if I have no clue what was for. I mean, I might as well just like only include one if I really need to. So I'm down with just two. That's good. And the other one, like the second one, I like to demonstrate it. It's gonna be a flying creature, so pretty much like a flying fungus. It's gonna be like I already had programmed the, the movements for it, and it kind of looks really good as I can tell. And the only thing that I had to decide between, like, it had a little difficulty, was pretty much um whether I had to have collision detection for it. But I mean, It's it. I noticed a lot of problems when you try to do collision detection while using the pattern I created for it for flying. So I was like, yeah, this is not gonna work out. Might as well just I just decided to like make it official to just remove its collision box. So pretty much, it'll just roam around on top of the whole room, pretty much. But it's the bright side is that the one way to attack this creature is pretty much by shooting at it. So the shooting can go like anything that's like shootable, it'll go through any obstacle like without collision. It'll only make contact with and like living entities like the enemies or the main character or something like that. All right, so I want to like demonstrate what I have done so far, and also like to put in that I decided to actually add the camera system now. So now I have like a viewable scrolling system, which I need to tweak around with. Um, let's take a good look at the project very quick. I can go over here and let's just roll up the game very quick. There we go. Uh, so yeah, um I also managed to actually fix the character. Like so that way watch this. Oof. I killed him. Oh, and now the flying enemy is trying to attack me. So he'll fly around like hovering somewhere whereabouts near you. Oh, just ignore the little thing that's on the edge on the very top because pretty much there's a glitch, but that's part of the asset library I have. And the only way to fix that is to put a background. And I certainly am planning to do that today, actually. I will get to that very quick and pretty much focus on trying the level design, pretty much. That's what I'm going to do today, actually, level design. You can see this enemy wants. Oh, I'm dead already. Well, I can just restart it. I didn't program the death for this character yet, but still. Um, that is just ignore that. It's a glitch. It's a glitch. Die. Okay, so I can shoot. I can shoot now. Gotta fix the timer. Yeah, I could definitely need to fix. I might have to fix this. There we go. And I killed him. Now the shooting is a very quick enemy to kill. Doesn't take much. But yeah, um, I can finally scroll and do this like stomp. And I managed to get the enemy to stomp also, but it's very wonky, so it's not like much of a reliability on that. Well, I'll just keep it for now. I mean, it's still functional. Um, so yeah, let's see. I got just something on that one. What was it again? Oh yeah, the timer. To go to pick. This is the timer for the shooting part for the player. These abilities, I'm planning to make it like you gradually earn them throughout the game. Well, you don't like it. Just, you don't get them all at once. You don't. It's gonna be part like something you procedurally earn from throughout the story. So pretty much like not gonna start off with all this. I guess it just takes away the fun. I mean, it's fun to bash them all up, but it's much better. It feels much better if you just if something new comes around each time as you play throughout the game. It doesn't feel like you're stuck in a repetitive goal for a long while because then you're just gonna lose interest. Like I want to like make it so that each time there's something new coming up, so pretty much it just builds up interest. Yeah, I did went to Wendy's, which by the way, I only had 3 hours of sleep. And it's not because I was working on the entry. It's mostly because I woke up in the middle of the night feeling god awful with a nose, and I've been like that since yesterday also. But obviously on devlogs doesn't seem noticeable, but I was like doing the sometimes. Well, that's it's been like that for a couple of days already. Now last night it just did not sleep. Got worse. I had to get put on a humidifier mask on and sit in the couch, and I cannot lay down because apparently it blocks up my nasals if I lay down. So I if I stand up or sit up straight, like very straight, I it it helps me breathe better. So I was like, okay, so I guess I might as well have to like not sleep. Been up for a long while, and while I was up, I to shower. I decided to I thought maybe steaming water could help me up a little bit with the nose, but still didn't work very well. Um, uh, then I had do laundry, and while I was doing the laundry, I decided to uh, mess around with the project a little bit by polishing a little few things that I left off, and now I even added a couple of placeholder sprites that I'm about to show soon. Action, but supposed to be. I'm gonna put it to one. That should be fixed. So yeah, I had some placeholder sprites. Um, this is for the bullets. This on or the bullets over here. 'Cause I know for some reason OBS won't draw my cursor. I don't know why. I try looking up the information. It still doesn't show. It's but anyway, and here are the two sprites I decided to add for to show off. One of the systems I'm gonna be showing is the how I make terrains. Like because I wanted to, for a platformer, I wanted to make try something different, like something that doesn't. I don't. I want to move out of that zone where I'm always stuck making blockish shape terrains, and I don't know. I hate it. It looks really all god awful. And I did some a lot of experiments in the past, and wasn't until like a few weeks before Jam, like I finally got something made that works properly. But I feel like it still needs more work anyway because it's has a couple of cons that makes it not so good. But it's closest I can create natural looking terrains in a platformer that actually does not seem very repetitive. And to do this, like, I'm gonna go ahead and do the first thing first. It's gonna require a path system. I'm gonna go ahead and create a path. It'll be right over here. Create a path. Path. I'm gonna call it stage one. There we go. So to make this good, I decided to resize the world map. So it's actually the height is actually 3.8, 3.840. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to like draw everything like it was like according to its oof. First off, 0. There it is. Okay. And there we go. We're gonna go ahead and it's hard to tell what you see here, but yeah. I'm just gonna create demonstration like how it works. So I might it's 8. So over here, okay. So I'll just move up to here. Oh no. Needs to be 0. There we go. So it's that second line. Okay. Here. All right, let's place the first one here. Or here. I could just put that over here. This edit. Make it 0. And this, I want to make it so it's dividable by 64. So actually, let's see. Take the number that's there. Math. Oh, okay, so it's going to be 48. 48. 4. 3072. All right. There we go. Done. Why do you move that all the way to the middle? On. Anyway. So I'm gonna select curve smooth curve and on the selection. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just start tracing. Like creating a little path for it. So let's start off with something slightly flat. Move it up a little bit. There's like here, there. Down slide it for a little bit here. Oops. Back up here. There. There we go. That last one, I want to even it up. So I will have to make it dividable by 64, but I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to do that later. I'm only here to show the demonstration. So we got ourselves a curvish landscape. We stop from there. We're going to create our new object. Wait, I pick object, did I? That's okay. I'll just put this, move it over to surprise. I'm going to call it background. I am going to work on a background soon, so yeah, I'll do that later. Anyway, move that back up there. Anyway, oh, there it is, object. Okay, so I'm going to call this object stage 1. So all thing I had to do here is start using my nature pack for this. It's something I built it for a long while, and I try and get something very good right here. So let's see. Let's open up the script for a moment. Got what we have on that. It should be only 2 commands, right? No, that's 3. My bad. It's 3. There it is. Now this is for when I'm gonna draw the water, so I'm not gonna show that one off yet. But it's pretty cool. Like I actually have a built-in water system with fluids. Not entirely fluid, but it's more just the wobbly flakes on it. That's it. I mean, but it's fine because it's basic. So start off with the first thing we're gonna do is land create, and we're gonna ask us for the path. Ooh, my bad. Stage. So what sprite we're gonna use for the grass? Of course, I have a pre-made one already, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. It's oh, it's gonna ask us for a sprite for the foreground. That's right. I'm gonna have to create one. Let me just name it sprite ground. The width of our collision, which is going to have a built-in collision system for it, made based on the path system. So I'm just going to go ahead and put how thick it is, so it can help easily understand the mass collision that comes with it. And then we got the steps, how many steps we want to put in there. To be honest, I forgot which number I had to put. Like, literally, I forgot which number goes in here. I'm just gonna put 5 for now. I can't remember. But we'll see. Little experiment, right? Let's go ahead and just put in draw event. Oh, very quick. Oh, oh. It has to be raw UI. Ah, let's just wake up a little bit. So draw. It's land draw, right? And draw. It's gonna ask us for where it's gonna receive the impact, because you can actually I made it so that you could actually walk through it. But I have to implement the the location of it. So it'll be based on the object player. Already moves around. That's done, and then we got force, wind. For the value I had put on this, I probably put 5. X, I'm just gonna put 0, 0, 0, 4. I'm just and then we got the wind strength. So wasn't sure if the wind strength is based on which way the player is moving. Object player HSP. But this one is needs to be signed. Sign value in there. Apply that with 16 maybe. I can't remember, to be honest. I'm trying to refresh my memory. Let's go ahead and start making that sprite, and we can test it out. I'm trying to refresh my memory. But I know I can actually get to it very quick. Oh, wait, we already have one here. We can just rename this to sprite ground. There we go. Yeah, we can make it different funny stuff. I got make it right side. I can leave the size as it is. We just edit and we just make a little Picasso work right here. Okay. Boop. Done. Oh, and I had to make sure like this because my pack actually has some glitches. No, it's not checked. I don't know why. That's one thing I do remember, like all the flaws that comes with it. You only don't remember the other small stuff. All right. just have to. Oh. Go back. I had to go back. It's gonna be a solid object. We can now use our what the parent block. This is block. All right. So block is gonna be our parent. So it will be collision with it. We're gonna go ahead into the room. As you can see, I built a bigger level now. All this is actually gonna be the whole game. You gotta travel all the way to the other end. I'm trying to make it as good as possible. So, let's zoom in a little more and find out where we're going to place our object. Character's right here, right? I will have to put it right over here. Okay, so let's go ahead and select stage. Oh, no. Hold on. Others. There we go. Put it up here. Right. All right, so that's done. So yeah, I have to out to see if it's broken or not. So it means I'll have to remove these stuff because I don't want them interfering with my test run. Beep, beep. Sorry about that. All right. Up. Now we test it out to see if it breaks. Then it's because I forgot something or didn't put the code right. Oh hey, it crashed. Well, guess what? I found a solution. I keep the task manager on the other screen. So now I can fix this. Where is it? There it is. Fantastic. Clean it again. And then run. It's a good thing I had that. There we go. Yep, I knew it. Something's definitely not right. I knew it. Definitely done something. All right. That is not supposed to happen. Yes. But hey, at least you can see the ground texture fall correctly. There's some I know, and when it's like this, it's because oh, that's right. It's supposed to make the grass this is the glitch I was talking about. That about when I had to set separate textures. That's just the reason why. And oh my god. I mean, yeah. But I can fix this. Gotta go here. Texture. Texture. Now I'm only using one grass though. I don't think it will make a difference. And I finally see why the 5-step, I had that code wrong. I knew it. I knew there was something there's something had to be off, and it's actually this one over here. Code 64. Alright. Hopefully that'll work. Wasn't sure if this is the correct. Yeah, this is correct. Oh, these are correct. I'm not sure about these though. Movement's wrong. This this only applies if it makes contact, but I had to figure out what the code I used to make it happen. A time. But 0. Actually. Right, so we out. I'm not sure what was the code I had for this because I knew I had to modify a few things. Still broken. I have bad memory to be honest, so remember what did I did to actually fix this. For how the step system works. Trying to like refresh my. Oh, now I remember how it works. It's the lower it value is. Okay. But that thing that moving around like that, that's not supposed to happen. Like I don't know what's causing that. I know it's this code, but this code I have no clue how to fix it. Like I really don't remember the code for it. That's the thing. I really just took around with it a bit and that's it. Hey, I mean at least I got this done. That means I can just do this, run the code. Hey, it's getting there. Okay. Finally got it. Almost done. Do that. I get rid of that block. But yeah, it's it's nearly done. It's right there. Like I pretty much made a automatic system to create this, and it's working properly. I just need to tweak around a little bit more. It's all correct. So value of that of waving is all based on this value here. So if I put it to this value, run it again, it should run more smoother now. Like it doesn't look like it's exaggerating. And strength. Be sure that's I put 0 point. Haha, there we go. Ta-da! I got that done. All right. So, magic terrain has special good physics on it. Oh, I have a dash system there too. It's not stuck. It's not stuck. It's just it has to stop because it's a slide. It's supposed to. I think it's still stomped right there. Stomp that. So yeah, I have okay. That's pretty much the landscape system. Uh, I might have to create several other mores. I had to create a separate folder or some mechanic that can actually spawn them without having to keep creating it. But you know, I might as well just like what was I gonna do again? I forgot. Oh yeah, create a group. I'm gonna call this stages. There we go. And place this one over here. There we go. So I got some folders here for game. I showed off how I do my terrains. Yeah, super perfect. So yeah, that's really a big progress I made. with my nature pack. And other than that, I also want to show off the water pack, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start working on that level design very quick and see how much I can get done like for today. Well, that's one update for day 2 on my devlog, and I'll keep you updated with more information. Obviously, I even though I am posting this on YouTube, I don't think anybody knows I am participating. So, uh, I'm not planning to actually spread out the word. Yeah, I want to like wait till I actually at the last minute before the deadline. I pretty much want to like then show myself like, oh hey, uh because I wasn't sure if I like I wanted to make it more of a surprise, but at the same time I just don't want to like show up and this and didn't accomplish anything good. Because past experience I had with jams, I failed miserably. Like I know that it's just a slight chance it might happen again, and I don't want to take that. Like having to come back after 2.5 years gone, and then suddenly, oh, the game is one moment I returned to participate in the jam, and the jam entry just came out bad. Not only bad, but I didn't turn it in or anything, or something happened last minute. So, which is why I decided to like just keep it a little low profile in this one and just wait till like the last minute for the deadline. But if whoever's actually aware that I'm participating, good for you to actually find out and investigate this because like I have been super silent on this, so I don't think anyone would know. And if there is someone who would actually by any chance look through my YouTube channel like randomly, it's random sakes at this moment, yeah, good for you to finding out that I'm doing this. So anyway, peace out. I'll keep you up to date.